Christina, and I'm assuming you're watching this video because you just built a robot. Congratulations! How does it feel to be an engineer? I have a challenge for you. What other types of robots could you build with these same pieces? Take a look at the motor and the way it moves. Does it remind you of another animal? I built a penguin and a caterpillar using the instructions that were in this Tinkerdesign. But then I felt inspired to try even more designs. Take all of the pieces off and look at the main base of your robot. Experiment with moving the cranks around. So now I have both the cranks facing the same way. What can you build to make your robot move? I wanted to make a sea creature, so I experimented with trying to make a flipper. It didn't really work. So then I had the idea that I could try to make wheels out of cardboard. The robot was flapping around a lot, so I used some flippers to try to stabilize it. It kind of worked, but it still fell over sometimes. I figured out the robot was falling over because the cranks were facing opposite ways. How do you think it would change my design if I moved the cranks to face the same way? I tried changing it, and now the robot moves around so much better. Now that I've finished the mechanics of my robot, it's time to add decorations. I'll measure out a body for my dolphin so that it's 7 inches high and 5.5 inches wide. Then I'll draw the shape of the body and cut it out when it's ready. Now it's time to add some decorations to make my robot look more like a dolphin. I'll use the same kind of design as the penguin I made earlier. I finished making some personal touches and attached the dolphin to the robot. And it's all done. Ta-da! Now it's your turn. Try creating robots with different parts and mechanisms. What wild robot creations will you make next?